Reality is overrated. At least that's what you might think after seeing the work of these 11 hyperrealistic artists. Their paintings and drawings are so incredibly lifelike that they make photographs look like rough sketches. These masters of illusion don't just recreate reality, they enhance it, challenge it, and sometimes even surpass it. From portraits where you can count every eyelash to still lifes that'll make your mouth water, these artists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with paint, pencil, and even digital tools. Let's kick things off with Joongwon Charles Jeong, a South Korean artist who's taking hyperrealism to microscopic levels. Imagine paintings so detailed you can see every single pore on a person's face. That's what Jeong delivers with his mind-bending portraits. Jeong's journey began at the prestigious Hongik University of Fine Art and Design in Seoul, where he studied visual communication design. But he didn't stop at just creating art. He's also passionate about sharing his knowledge. Jeong teaches aspiring artists the trick of his trade, helping to cultivate the next generation of hyperrealists. Now, let's shift from faces to food with the Dutch artist Tjalf Sparnaay. If you've ever looked at a painting and felt your stomach growl, it was probably one of Sparnaay's works. Since 1987, Sparnaay has been working on his Mega Realism series, focusing on everyday food items. But these aren't just any food paintings. They're larger-than-life representations that make you want to reach out and take a bite. What's fascinating about Sparnaay's work is how he elevates the mundane to the extraordinary. His paintings don't just look real, they make you see everyday objects in a whole new light. And Sparnaay's works fetch quite a pretty penny. Prices for his original pieces range from 17,500 euros to over 120,000 euros. Now that's some expensive eye candy. Moving from the delicious to the disturbing, let's talk about Gottfried Helnwein. This Austrian-Irish artist isn't just a painter. He's a multidisciplinary powerhouse who works as a draftsman, photographer, muralist, sculptor, and performance artist. Helnwein's art isn't just for the faint of heart. He tackles heavy themes like psychological and sociological anxiety, historical issues, and political topics. His paintings often feature children in unsettling situations, walking a fine line between beauty and discomfort. What makes Helnwein's work so compelling is its ability to provoke strong emotions. Whether you find his paintings upsetting or beautiful, or both, you can't deny the raw power they possess. And here's a fun fact that adds to Helnwein's mystique. He paints while wearing sunglasses. Let's lighten the mood a bit and dive into the colorful world of Roberto Bernardi. This Italian artist has mastered the art of still life painting, but with a twist. His subjects are often everyday objects arranged in ways that make you look twice. Bernardi's journey into hyperrealism began in the 1980s after he cut his teeth on landscapes and portraits. Now he spends up to a month on each painting, meticulously crafting images that fool the eye and boggle the mind. What's truly remarkable about Bernardi's work is how he brings out the beauty in the mundane. A jumble of candies becomes a study in color and light. A collection of glass marbles transforms into a complex interplay of reflections and refractions. His paintings invite you to pause and appreciate the overlooked details of everyday life. Now, let's switch from oil paints to pencils with Emanuele Dascanio. This Italian artist proves that you don't need color to create breathtaking hyperrealistic art. Born in 1983, Dascanio honed his skills under the tutelage of renowned Italian painter Gianluca Corona, learning the oil techniques of Renaissance masters. But it's his work with graphite and charcoal that truly sets him apart. Dascanio's portraits are more than just realistic. their spiritual experiences. Each face he draws seems to vibrate with emotion and energy. Take, for example, his portrait of his father, which has an almost Christ-like quality. The level of detail is astonishing, from the individual strands of hair to the subtle play of light on skin. What makes Dascanio's work truly special is how he combines technical mastery with deep emotional connection. Each portrait feels like a window into the subject's soul, inviting viewers to connect on a profound level. It's no wonder he's won numerous prizes, including the prestigious National Painting Prize Le Segrete di Boca. Next up, let's unwrap the unique art of Robin Eley. This artist takes hyperrealism to a whole new level by introducing an unexpected element: plastic wrap. Eley's paintings are so realistic that viewers often do a double take, unable to believe they're not photographs. What really sets his work apart is how he wraps his models in plastic. The plastic wrap in Eley's paintings serves as a barrier, something you can see through but not feel through. It's a brilliant visual representation of the disconnection many experience in our hyper-connected world. The technical skill required to paint the reflections and distortions caused by the plastic is mind-boggling. Eley's dedication to his craft is equally impressive. He spends about 5 weeks on each painting, working a grueling 90 hours per week. The result? Artworks that are not just visually stunning, but also deeply thought-provoking. From plastic wrap, let's dive into a world of colorful chaos with Eloy Morales. This Spanish artist creates hyper-realistic self-portraits that look like the aftermath of a paint factory explosion, and the results are absolutely stunning. Morales' paintings are a perfect blend of technical skill and creative concept. At first glance, you might think you're looking at a photograph of someone who's had an unfortunate accident with several buckets of paint. But look closer and you'll realize every drop, every smear, every splash is meticulously painted. Now, let's sharpen our focus and look at the incredible pencil work of Diego Fazio, also known online as Diego Coy. This young Italian artist proves that sometimes all you need to create jaw-dropping hyper-realistic art is a simple pencil. Fazio's portraits are so lifelike that they're often mistaken for black and white photographs. What's even more impressive is that Fazio is entirely self-taught. He only began drawing in 2007, but his natural talent and dedication quickly propelled him to the forefront of the hyperrealism movement. Let's take a detour and explore the mind-blowing digital artwork of Kyle Lambert. This British-born artist is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with digital art, creating hyper-realistic portraits using nothing but an iPad and his fingertips. Lambert's portrait of actor Morgan Freeman is a perfect example of his incredible skill. At first glance, you'd swear it was a high-resolution photograph, but in reality, it's a digital painting created over the course of a month, using more than 285,000 brush strokes in the Procreate app. What makes Lambert's work so impressive is not just the end result, but the process behind it. His time-lapse videos of the creation process are mesmerizing to watch, offering a glimpse into the patience and precision required for this kind of work. From digital screens, let's dive into the deep blue sea with Ran Ortner. This artist has found his niche in painting massive, hyper-realistic seascapes that capture the raw power and beauty of the ocean. Ortner's paintings are unique in their singular focus. You won't find any land, sky, boats, or other reference points in his work. Just pure ocean. His canvases are enormous, sometimes stretching up to 32 feet wide, allowing viewers to feel as if they're truly standing before an endless expanse of water. What sets Ortner apart is his dedication to traditional techniques. He insists on using old-fashioned lead white paint for its superior translucency, mixing it himself using a time-consuming process. His other colors are derived from minerals combined with various oils, resulting in a rich, luminous quality that brings his waves to life. Last but certainly not least, let's take a look at the incredible work of Dru Blair. This US-based artist takes hyperrealism to new heights using an unexpected tool, the airbrush. Using mini spray guns, he deposits ultra-thin lines of paint on a board, building up his images with painstaking precision. The result? Portraits that capture every minute detail, right down to the individual pores on the skin. One of Blair's most impressive works is his portrait of a model named Tika. The level of detail is astounding, from the subtle variations in skin tone to the reflection in her eyes. Every element is perfectly captured. It's hard to believe that this image, which looks for all the world like a high-resolution photograph, was created using nothing but paint and air. Next time you see a hyperrealistic artwork, take a moment to really look. You might just find yourself questioning what's real and what's art. Now, I'd love to hear what you think. Which of these artists blew your mind the most? Do you have a favorite piece? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.